When you search for the best laptop and monitor stands, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Wally Computer Monitor Stand. First up is the Wally Computer Monitor Stand. Priced at just $9.99, this best-selling stand caught my attention with its sleek black design and sturdy build. If you want a reliable and affordable option to help with your workspace ergonomics, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Wally monitor stand can raise your device by up to 5.5 inches, which is a game changer for reducing neck and back strain during long working hours. It supports up to 44 pounds, so whether it's a monitor or a hefty laptop, it's got you covered. The vented holes prevent overheating, which is crucial if you're running intensive applications. Plus, with over 15,400 reviews and a 4.7-star rating, it's clear that users are satisfied. Now, some people complained about the height not being adjustable enough for their preference. Here's the thing though, for most users, the 3 height options are more than sufficient. If you're someone who needs an extreme height adjustment, this might not be the best fit, but for general use, you'll likely find it just right. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable solution to elevate your monitor and create more desk space. Skip this one if you're looking for something with a lot of height adjustment options. Overall, for under $10, it's a solid investment. Now, if the Wally stand's height limitation bothered you, the next option takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Amazon Basics Ergonomic Laptop Stand. Next up is the Amazon Basics Ergonomic Laptop Stand, priced at $20.99. This one stands out for its portability and ergonomic features. If you want a versatile stand that fits into your work-life balance, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. With up to 7 inches of height adjustment, you can easily customize it to your perfect viewing angle. This is especially helpful if you alternate between sitting and standing, which is crucial for maintaining good posture. The open design not only supports laptops up to 15.6 inches, but also promotes airflow, keeping your device cool during long sessions. With over 3,200 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, it's clear that many users appreciate its design. However, some users pointed out that it might not be stable enough for heavier laptops. Here's my take: if your laptop is on the heavier side, just be mindful of how you're typing. If you're using a lighter model, you're in the clear. This is perfect for you if you need a budget-friendly, portable solution for your laptop that you can take anywhere. Skip this one if you're using a heavier laptop and want maximum stability. Still, it offers great value for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more permanent solution. Product number 3, HUANUO Adjustable Monitor Stand. Now let's talk about the HUANUO Adjustable Monitor Stand, priced at $39.99. Immediately, you can see it's designed for those who want a more flexible setup. If you want something that can accommodate both a laptop and a monitor with ease, this is worth a serious look. The adjustable arm allows for +/45 degrees tilt and 360 degrees rotation, giving you the freedom to customize your viewing experience. Plus, it has a ventilated tray to keep your laptop cool. The integrated cable management keeps your workspace tidy, a small but significant detail that many overlook. With over 11,900 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, users clearly find it effective. Here's the thing though, if you follow the included instructions carefully, it's totally manageable. Just be patient and take your time. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile and ergonomic workspace setup. Skip this if you prefer a simpler, non-adjustable solution. Still, for the price, it packs in a lot of features. Next, if the complexity of the HUANUO setup feels daunting, the next one simplifies things while still offering great functionality. Product number 4, Simple Trending Metal Monitor Stand. Next is the Simple Trending Metal Monitor Stand, available for $19.99. This one caught my eye because of its built-in drawer and space-saving design. If you want a practical solution that organizes your desk while elevating your monitor, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters. The two-tier design allows you to store your keyboard or gaming console underneath, freeing up precious desk space. It raises your monitor to eye level, which can really help with neck and back strain during long hours. The anti-slip suction cups provide stability, especially if you're typing vigorously. With more than 3,100 reviews, it holds a 4.6-star rating, indicating strong user satisfaction. However, some users mention that the drawer could be a bit flimsy. Here's the deal: if you're looking to store heavier items, it might not be the best fit. But for basic office supplies, it works just fine. This is perfect for you if you want a blend of function and organization in your workspace. Skip this one if you're expecting industrial strength in your storage solutions. For the price, it delivers solid performance. Now, if the simple trending sturdiness concerns you, the next product might just offer that extra durability you're looking for. Product number 5, Wally Laptop Desk Mount. Finally, we have the Wally Laptop Desk Mount priced at $29.44. This one is for those who want the ultimate in convenience and ergonomics. If you're after something that really elevates your workspace, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters. This mount can hold laptops up to 17 inches and supports weight up to 22 pounds. The dual mounting options make it easy to install, whether you prefer a C-clamp or grommet mount. With a height adjustment of up to 16 inches and full rotation capabilities, it lets you find that sweet spot for optimal viewing. Venting holes in the tray keep your laptop cool, which is essential if you're multitasking. With over 5,800 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's clear that users love the flexibility. That being said, some users reported difficulties with the installation process. Here's my perspective. While it can be a little tricky, the end result is worth it. Take your time and you'll have a much neater workspace. This is perfect for you if you want a highly adjustable option that can elevate your laptop for maximum comfort. Skip this one if you're looking for something simpler that doesn't require installation. It's a great value for a significant upgrade to your workspace. So there you have it. We've covered a great range from the budget-friendly Wally computer monitor stand to the versatile Wally laptop desk mount. Each of these stands has its own strengths, so consider what features matter most to you. Thanks for tuning in, and hopefully one of these stands will help you create a more comfortable and organized workspace.